morning, guys. Who love a bitter gourd or bitter melon? Comment down below, guys. Look at this, guys. This is our breakfast. Actually, I woke up early because I prepared some foods for my nephews because they will going to the rice field, no? Clean some of the rice field of my brother, so well, anyway, I just slice it into thin, and then with egg, no, we mixed it with egg. We need to saute first garlic, then onions, then after that saute this thing. But remember, guys, before you cook the bitter melon, you should soak it with the hot water, so it's not really bitter. And you need to remove the seeds, guys, before you slice it. Okay, so give me thumbs up. Yummy, healthy breakfast.